Hey there. So we're looking at this time a related rates question here. We've got an area of a circle, and they tell us that the area is increasing at this particular rate. So we know that, and is based on time. So we know that that's dA dt given at 48 pi. Okay. I didn't write all I didn't write all too many units. I'll conclude them at the end. They want to know how fast is the radius changing. Okay. So they're looking for dr dt here. Okay. And they tell us that when the area is 36 pi, right? So this 36 pi, we're going to put it in our regular area formula, which area equals pi r squared. And we'll solve for r, and we're going to get 6 out of that. Okay. That r is going to come in handy in a little while. Now we take that same formula and we actually differentiate it. So with respect to time, derivative of area with respect to time is dA dt. Then we've got a pi that drops. Then this, we're going to differentiate with respect to time. And so I'm going to drop my 2, and then my r stays, and my 2 becomes a 1. Now remember, r is a function of, is the radius as a function of time. So this is actually an entire function right here. So you have to use the chain rule, and this must be multiplied over here, and not this, but the derivative of this. Well, what's the derivative of the radius with respect to time? You can just write dr dt, okay? And that's actually very nice because that's what we're looking for. How fast is the radius changing? So this is the actual thing that we're looking for. So it just appears all of a sudden right there. Boom. According due to the chain rule. Now we go ahead and plug in all the information. They gave us that the area was changing at 48 pi, so we plugged that over here. They told us that the radius is 6. Well, they didn't tell us, but they told us the area, and we were able to figure out the radius. And now we just plug in all these things, and I solve for dr dt. So I'm going to divide my 12. This is 2 times 6. This is 12 pi. So I'm going to divide it over. These pi's cancel. 48 divided by 12 is 4. So dr dt is 4. And I went ahead and added in my units. It looks like it's going to be feet per hour.